What is a good settlement for a rear-end collision in Boston? Hi, I'm attorney John Sheehan. Since 1993, I've represented thousands of injured workers and car accident victims throughout Massachusetts. I fight to ensure that each client receives all the compensation and medical treatment that they're entitled to without getting taken advantage of by an insurance company. Well, first and foremost, there are two parts to a car accident injury case: liability and damages. In the case of a car accident, liability means who is at fault or who is negligent. In most rear-end cases, the car that rear-ends the other car is usually at fault. The amount of any personal injury settlement depends on your damages and available insurance coverage. In most cases, you must have medical bills that are more than $2,000 in order to bring a car accident personal injury claim for pain and suffering damages. Your damages include special or economic damages, things like medical bills and lost wages, and general or non-economic damages, things like pain and suffering, scarring, disfigurement, permanent impairment, or loss of function caused by your injuries. If the rear-end collision involved multiple cars, you may be able to bring a personal injury claim against more than one defendant if they were negligent. If you've been injured in a rear-end collision in Boston or Massachusetts, you should contact an experienced car accident lawyer to discuss your case. If you'd like to speak with me about your case, it's easy. You can call or text me at the office. You could send me an email. Our email address appears in the description below this video, or you could visit my website where you'll find contact forms that you can fill out and submit to us. I'd be happy to reach back, talk to you about the car accident, what evidence is there to show that the car accident was caused by the other driver's fault, or that there may be more than one driver at fault, what available insurance coverages are there to compensate you, what medical treatment have you received, and what additional medical treatment are your doctors recommending, and what are the next steps that I'd recommend to make sure that we obtain maximum compensation for you. If you found the information in this video informative and helpful, please like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the bell icon below to receive notifications of my future videos, and share this video with your friends and family.